Good morning, student. Today, 13 July, Monday. Now, this is the part 9, accounting principles. In the previous lecture, we were discussing about the kinds of accounting principle, in which we have discussed accounting concept and accounting assumptions. Now, here we are going to discuss accounting conventions. Accounting conventions, there are the three types of accounting conventions. First, convention of full disclosure. Convention of full disclosure says that every transaction, every events and every small change in the firm must be recorded in the firm book, because this convention says that every change is the important for the firm. So either it is a small expenditure or this is a large expenditure or income or event or information must be recorded. Secondly, convention of materiality. Materiality convention says if we will record everything, in that case the important things we cannot give the focus. That is reason, according to this convention, those things which are not more important for the firm, they should be recorded in the hidden way. For example, if there is the grass in the lawn of the company, and for the cleaning purpose, company sell this grass for 100 rupees. Now, full disclosure says this should be recorded by the name of grass account. A separate account should be maintained. But materiality says it is not possible to sell the grass time to time, because this is the not main business of the company. So company should not maintain a separate account, but the company should be record this by name of sundry income. So you are seeing this transaction of 100 rupees will be recorded, but not recorded by name. Second example you can see, you purchase a calculator for the company. Now calculator price is the 200 rupees, and you know some calculator are so nice that they are working more than 1 year. Sometime you have seen that calculator are working 4, 5, 6 years. According to disclosure, calculator should be recorded by the name of calculator account as SS. But Maternity not record this separate one because its life is not certain. Mostly calculator you see, if you are using in a proper way, within a year their life is over. So according to Maternity, calculator account will not open, but you will record the expenses of calculator under the stationery. So this is the difference in disclosure and Maternity. Now convention of the conservatism. Convention of conservatism is the very important, and mostly accounting firm follows this. According to this convention, firm should be recorded all the possible losses, but the firm should not record all the possible income. Suppose a claim against the firm is running in the court, and there is a chance that firm will lose the case, and the firm has to pay the claim amount of 5 lakhs. So according to this concept, this possible loss, the company should maintain the account. But it is possible to claim maybe in the favor of firm, and firm will get the 5 lakhs as a claim. In that case, this claim account will not be recorded in the accounting book until the amount is not received. A court has not given the decision. According to this concept or convention, when we make the valuation of closing stock, always we make the valuation either at cost or resale value, whichever is less at that price, because all the loss should be recorded. All the provisions, provision for tax, provision for bad debts, provision for depreciation, all these provisions are maintained according to this one. Now, next topic is difference between the accounting concept and convention. Concept are necessary according to ICAI, because all authority by government has been provided to the ICAI. So according to ICAI guideline, concept are compulsory to perform all the firm now, but convention are not compulsory to perform by all the firms. Recording versus financial statement. When we record the information in the accounting book, in journal or ledger, they are recorded on the concept base, and when we calculate the profit or loss of the firm, or we prepare the financial statement, we follow the convention. Significance. Concept is more significant for the firm. Convention is not so much significance because the result of convention come the same one. Role of personal judgment. After interference of ICI, all the concepts are compulsory to follow by all the firm. So in the case of concept, now the personal judgment has a very less place. But in the case of convention, personal judgment affect the profit and loss of the firm. Uniform adoption. After the ICI guideline, all the companies adopt all the concept. So here has come the uniformity. But in the case of convention, there is not a compulsory guideline. So in the case of convention, there is not a uniformity. So student, this lesson is over. In your quarterly examination, only up to the part 9 video lectures will come. You have to make the thorough study, you have to revise this. This time your examination will be most probable the alternative questions, alternative choice model questions. For each question you have the 4 options and correct answer you have to selected one. Because just now you have got a result, you are not certain, so very less syllabus I have selected and only theoretical cases I have selected. After this lecture, the next lecture will start from the numerical one. So from the part 10 you have to be serious one and you have to take the continue classes so that you can understand the accounting recording in the proper way. So from part 10 there will be syllabus start for the half yearly. For quarterly only lesson 3 lesson will come, lesson 1, 3 and 14. Only these 3 lessons you have to prepare. Best of luck for your examination.